welcome to my channel once more. So, if you're coming in for the first time, kindly subscribe, like, share, comment your opinion, and whatever you feel about what I'm doing here. So, today I'm going to show you how I made this track, Third Degree. Third Degree is one of the tracks, it's kind of like, it feels like an action track, you understand? So, I'm going to show you how I made it on Fruity Loops. So, let me actually first of all play what the whole track sounds like. And this is it. I'm going to it. I basically use patterns to create my track. So I'm going to play what the first pattern looks like, sounds like. So just listen to it. This is what the finished work sounds like. So I'll move on to dissect the patterns individually by just selecting them, um, playing them solo. So I'm going to start with the kicks. I have three different kind of kicks here. So this is what the kicks sound like. Okay. Then I'm going to introduce the snares. Okay, let me take out the rolls. Yeah. Okay, let me introduce back the roll. Yeah, that's the roll. Okay. That's the snares. Okay. So let me go on the bull bars solo. This is my bass line, the bull bars actually. Okay, so I have my guitar. So this is what the guitar sounds like. Okay, then we go to the organ. Okay. Okay, and I have this flute to just add some flavors to it. Let me power it on. Take out the organ or on the flute. That's the flute. Okay, and I have this here for whatever that is. Okay, that's not it yet. So let me power it on, select it. I think this is where I got the inspiration while making the video to use that cat. Kind of sounds like cat's meow. Yeah. Okay. Then I have the scratches. Those scratches. Then I have this heat. The heat there. I think that's about that for this track. Just simple layers. Then I imported everything to the patterns. I'm setting on the playlist. So this is where I have my whole sequence. This is the whole song. So let's go to the song now. First, before we do that, let me power back all my patterns. Let me move from solo. So everything's powered on. Making it active here. So let's go. Automatic tracker.
Beats by Obens. G-Box on the beat.
That's right. The roll. Let the roll come in. Like I said, if you have not subscribed to my channel, kindly like, share, comment, and subscribe so we can keep doing this.
Beats by Obens. G-Box on the beat.
So that's it. Thank you for watching.